Shoot.
Hey guys, it's Justin from Central Coast Digital Design, your SEO authority on the Central Coast. We're going to talk a little bit about today about Google and Bing, Yahoo, what they're looking for, what your prospective customers are looking for when they go to search engines. A couple of things: authority, relevancy. Authority. We're talking about backlinks. We're talking about who is linking back to your site and basically voting for it. Google sees this. Backlinks that come from authority sites, backlinks that come from sites in your industry, they're linking back to you, that's powerful. We don't want irrelevant backlinks, we don't want low authority backlinks, we want high authority, high page rank backlinks. Social signals, this also proves authority. Facebook likes, Yelp reviews, things like that, Twitter followers. This tells Google how important you are to your business, your community, and your business. Relevancy. We're talking about title tags. This is something where you show your most valuable keywords in the title tag. This is huge. Title tags, you get up to 72 characters. Don't believe an SEO that tells you have more. 72 characters, you better have your most important keywords in there. Meta description, you get about 150 characters for this. You can still put your keywords in there. It can be a little more elaborate because you have up to 150 characters. This tells the Googlers, your prospective customers, what they're looking at before they click on the site. This tells them, is this relevant? Content. Is the content relevant? Do you have your keywords in the content? Is it well defined? Is it natural? Is it something that would be said in an everyday conversation? You don't want to stuff the content full of keywords. You want to have the keywords in the content naturally. Lots of high quality original content. I can't emphasize that enough. High quality original content. Not copy, not duplicate content. Popularity. This is tied into relevancy, although it's almost a category in and of its own. Popularity. Google's a popularity contest. They like people that are popular. If your site's popular, that means it's relevant. If people click on your site when they Google a certain search term and they stay there for a while, you're popular, you're relevant, you're an authority. So it's almost a third category in and of itself, but I think it's a natural consequence that when your site is relevant and an authority, you're going to be popular. We help get you there. Central Coast Digital Design, your SEO expert.